YouTube, it's been a while. I'm sorry, but doing a little project today. It is July 2nd, 2019. I am getting the rear tire off my motorcycle. This is going to be a how-to. I'm going to make another video of why I haven't posted in a while. Yeah, I'm going to jump into this, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, YouTube, back again. Skipped a couple, simple, easy things. Took the saddlebags off. Loosened this exhaust up, because you're going to need enough room in order to get this guy in there, and you should be able to push down on it. First, you got to take this retaining clip out, which is very simple. Take a nice little screwdriver, but be careful, they do fling off, and then you might not be able to find it. I'm doing this one-handed. That one was easy. Came right off with the thing. It's a little greasy there, so I don't think it's been off for a while. Also, before you take it off, there's an adjustment that you need to be aware of. If you can get a good shot at it right there. I'll mark it before I take it off, and I'll show you guys. And I'll go from there. This thing has to be right where it's at, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a marker. If I can find one. A Sharpie would do. You're going to take a Sharpie and you're going to mark on both sides. See, this side has it too. That right there is going to help you get your belt tight. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark it right there. Right there. That one. Might be hard to see. Mark it there, mark it there. Nobody's gonna see it. Anyway, your saddlebags are gonna cover it up, so who cares? So you don't have to do it next time. Sometimes you have to funky around with the marker. Here's that one. Okay. Also, there is a retaining clip not on this side. Sorry. It is not on that side. And keep all your parts together before you lose them, because if you lose anything, it's going to be expensive to replace. It's a Harley Davidson, remember that. I will be back once I get the tire off. Peace. Alright, YouTube, I'm back again. I got everything off pretty much except for the rear wheel and everything, which is pretty simple. Got the spacer off. Now I'm just getting that lined up, or getting that pushed out, which is going to take two people. I'm going to have somebody help me. A couple things that I'm going to state. When you work on any type of jack, really, you want to ratchet strap it. And I put a towel in between the ratchet strap and when I'm strapping, These are expensive part, guys. I mean, it's chrome. I mean, these things are expensive. You want to keep it nice. You pay a lot of money for it. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I ain't gonna be able to put the tire back on until tomorrow. But I'll make a video of how to reinstall it and how to check your belt deflection. Really all that's left is I need to get this belt off, which that is simple too. Like I said, it's just now a matter of having a second hand grab the tire when it falls and go from there. Also, another thing, while you're already down here, check your brake pads. You have to take them off anyway. It's already loose. I just have to get the tire off and slide the tire back more to check those. And I'll show you how to check those. And there's some things once you get the tire off you have to know too. Once I get to that point, I will make another video and I'll explain to you the steps and what there's other parts, like I said, inside the axle, spacers, things like that, that I will go over so you guys know. Again, thank you. Like I said, I'll show you how to put it back together once I get the tire back on tomorrow, and I'll also let you know what tire brand I'm going with. Alright, see you in a second. Alright, YouTube, I'm back here. Got the tire off pretty much. Here's what it looks like. This is all off. Here's my brakes. I'm going to need probably brake pads here shortly. You want to make sure that this is tight. You want to take a screwdriver and push those back. But I should still be able to get the summer out of those. I'm not sure. Like I said, I should be able to get at least another trip at least. But I'm just gonna hang that. I'm just gonna set this right here for now. Try not to bend your cables. That's bad. This does have ABS, which that's the ABS spacer, and there's the wire. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is the spacer on the other side. If I'm not mistaken, this groove side right here is the side that needs to go facing out. I want to ask the guy at the Harley dealership tomorrow when they change my tire. But yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Like I said, the only thing that's holding this on is the belt, which I want to get that off. As you can see there, the belt's still on. Now for this type of job, I recommend getting a little Ziploc baggie. Put everything in a Ziploc baggie so you don't lose it. For me, I had to loosen this guy to get the axle out. I'm not sure if you have to do that or not, but I did it. Just these two little bolts right here, the Allen screws, star heads, whatever you want to call them, and a 12-inch or half-inch socket and open face wrench. Get that off. Other than that, I'm going to continue getting the tire off. Very simple, just take the belt off, and I will be back tomorrow. And I will be back tomorrow and show you how to put it back together. Alright, YouTube, peace. That's a proper use of a tire. Getting a new one. You get a new one. Do the work yourself. Worst thing you can do is mess up and trial by error. I'm back. Got the rear tire on. I didn't do an installation video. All I can say is it was harder to put the tire back on because getting everything lined up, which is a given. With that being said, I got the tire back on, no problems. Some things went well, some things didn't. I went with, and to all you hardcore Harley riders, I did not go with a Harley tire. I went with a Shinko tire, 777. That's what they call it. I'm gonna see how that does on the rear in a couple weeks. I'm going to switch to the front. I'm a biker on a budget. I'm getting ready to go on a trip. I'll let you know how it rides. I'll let you know how everything I did, if it pans out, if anything breaks, what I did wrong, if it does, and I'll let you know how to fix it. Since I'm going on this trip, I thought I would do a short, quick video of how I pack. This is where I keep all my things that I'm actually going to use, so as far as like brush, contacts, deodorant. I'm only going to be gone for like a day, so that's mostly rain gear. This one, I have my one hat, extra hat, my helmet, knife, never know if you need that, gloves, extra shirt, several pairs of glasses, which you can't go wrong with that. My little MP3 player that on a Harley goes right in that little slot right there. Gotta have a playlist. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, also my motorcycle vest, which is usually in the saddlebag, but as you can see, they're full. Right now, I'm just giving it a good wipe down. I kinda, sounds bad, but I don't clean my bike every day like a normal person is, because by the time I clean it, it's gonna be dirty again. I use Lucas Slick Mist Fast and Easy Speed Wax, and it does pretty good. Let me show you. Right here, you can see that little bit right there, a little bit dirty. Spray it down. Relatively clean. Works better on great on chrome. But yeah, that's that when you're in a bind. Looks pretty good. But yeah, everything went well. I will put torque specs in the description below. I might even put them on the photos and everything. With that being said, I'll let you know how the trip goes. Like I said, if anything breaks or if I screwed up anything, I'll find out this week. But I doubt I did. I hope I didn't. I'll let you guys know. If you guys are riding for the 4th of July, be safe, YouTube, and keep the rubber side up. Alright, peace.